Pay close attention. I'm gonna deliver this guy's first L today.
That'd be my second, actually, but...
Tomato, tomato, right?
We have already shot one video today. I'm all lined up now.
What'd you shoot, 140?
150.
All right, super lined up.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Darren Tang, professional baller. I was just laying on the ground because I was tired. We're back for another Pro V-Am, a challenge where an amateur comes in to Vegas to challenge me. Did they come with a challenge maybe for a handicap to slow me down, or if they're confident enough? And I think this challenger today is coming in with lots of confidence. Here we have our guest from Double Trouble League once again, Chris. What's up, Chris? Thanks for coming on the channel.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
And we're gonna bowl straight up.
Yep.
You want the smoke?
I want the smoke.
You got it.
We'll put your ass out.
And let's do it. I guess I'm going first, right?
Yeah. Good shot.
I already got about half as many spares as the last challenge.
Oh, shit.
It's not a good way to start if you're gonna talk.
Not a good way at all. How the hell did I leave that?
Let's get the spare. Come on.
Yes!
Parker Bone once told me, in order to pick up splits, you gotta hit at least one.
Don't trip and fall on your way up there.
Today's video is featuring the Belmo Storm Fate. Pin up, pin down, strike and spare. Do I move off of that? Yeah, why not, right? Oh, bad move.
They hook when you don't want them to, and when you want them to, they don't.
They're tricky out there. Bounce? We'll take the count. We take the count, walk away. We gave it a chance. We hit the one in the front.
We're gonna go with the old 400 grit proton here.
Ooh. Ooh. That's what speed and revolutions gets you. The late kicker on the 7th. I think I need to get it to at least 10 down lane. Moving left probably was not the play. I got it now. How many do I need for 250? I need the next 7. Yeah. Oh! That's that 400 grit talking. Oh. Oh. Man, South Point no more.
Maybe it's not gonna happen anyway. Oh my gosh.
Now, if Chris does win, he will receive a lesson or a bowling ball of choice. And he notified me that he wants the lesson. Does he actually want the lesson, though? Oh, boy. Something tells me this isn't the ball. Something also tells me I just need to locate them a little closer. That's got to curve a lot. Woo! Ask and you shall receive.
Got that right.
I don't even think I'm gonna have to pick up or throw that many strikes.
Oh.
Spares win tournaments. Very nice. What if I just give the up the gutter dumpers what they want? Is this a play? Will it hook?
Hope not.
Oh my, sticky.
Split.
I stuck in the same spot last time too.
Don't blame it on the approach.
This guy's got his hand up in the back. I hit it 3 times to make sure I didn't have to buy him a drink. I'm glad he's not making me work super hard because I'm not feeling like trying right now. Maybe? It runs in the family.
Some kind of voodoo magic he's got out there.
Pick a board for me to stand on.
40.
40. That's where I was standing earlier.
41.
41?
No, 1.
There's no way I'm sliding 1. That's not very good. It's like I hit that spot and it's 210 every time. I might bowl 150 again.
Right there with you.
Look at this spare incoming. Oh.
Incoming.
2. Gotta hit the one in the front, guys. Gotta hit the one in the front. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
It's just really hard to hit the one in the front today.
Spare coming up.
This would be a great time for the urethane ball. Spare? Oh.
God.
Welcome to the US Open. What if I just throw it firm, fall it back? Oh God, they're so sticky.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's like the faster I move my feet, the faster I stop. More friction, more stop. Oh? Is this entertaining to watch? Do you guys want high scores or low scores? Because if we want high scores, we might have to film some at South Point. I like it. He flattens his hand out for the spares. Respect. We still got a contest here. I'm gonna try that again. I at least want to hit the pocket. Maybe.
Oh, shit.
Fall back. Fall back. He's in trouble now. It's not gonna be 250, but I don't think it's gonna be 150. I'm thinking he needs them all if he wants a chance.
God.
I'll put it in his head. It's the urethane. Good. Spares keep you in it. Oh, Kalon!
Oh, thank you.
Whew. They are quite difficult. Comfort level is about 0.2. Hook a little.
Chop, chop.
I'm all right. I got ball in hand. Wheel! The only difference in this game was spares. All right, I need a mark in good count. Maybe two hands? It is the fate, right?
Here we go.
I gotta throw the up one though. Are you not a fan?
Now two hands.
You don't like the two-handers?
Absolutely not. Split.
That was one of the bad ones though. Not as good as the last one. What do we need? 6, 7? We need 6. All right, tip for you guys at home, if you need a 6 or less to seal the deal, this is what you do. Is it two-handed hits or straight ball hits? There's no 8-pin, it doesn't count. I mean, it counts.
How long do we got to challenge you again?
I don't know, fill out the form and find out. Ooh. All right, so it may not have been the best bowling, but when they're difficult like this, it's really easy for things to go sideways. I think I bowled 300 for the 2 games I bowled, the challenges that we shot today. Wow, but if you guys want to challenge me to a match, there is a form, a survey, you gotta fill out down below. It's not guaranteed. Jesse filters through a lot of them. I probably should help too. Fill that out, submit it for a chance. It does have to be here in Vegas. On the off chance that it's not, it may line up that way. But anyways, thanks for watching. Chris, we appreciate you for coming on the channel. Shake hands, good match. I mean, it wasn't a high scoring one,
No,
but
not at all. I want a
we-
rematch as soon as possible.
We kind of had fun, right?
Absolutely.
Sorta. It's time for their training arc, so you'll probably see Chris on the channel again.
Oh yes, very soon.
He wants that lesson. We might do one anyways. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to fill out the survey if you guys want a chance to challenge me for a lesson or a free ball. See you in the next one.